Hey there and welcome. Today we're diving into a topic that might not seem thrilling at first glance, but trust me, it's incredibly rewarding: lawnmower maintenance. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, keeping your mower in tip-top shape can make a world of difference in how your lawn looks and how long your mower lasts. So let's get started. First off, let's talk about why maintenance is so important. A well-maintained lawnmower not only cuts grass more efficiently, but also saves you money in the long run. Think about it. A mower that runs smoothly uses less fuel and requires fewer repairs. Plus, a healthy mower means it's a healthier lawn, which is something we all want. Now, let's break down some essential maintenance tasks that you can easily handle yourself. The first step is to keep your mower clean. After each use, take a few minutes to remove any grass clippings and debris from the deck. This prevents rust and keeps your mower looking sharp. A simple brush or a cloth can do wonders here. Next up is checking the oil. Just like your car, a mower needs oil to run smoothly, unless you're operating battery or electric. Make it a habit to check the oil level before each use. If it's low, top it off with the right type of oil. Usually, you'll find this information in your owner's manual. Don't forget to change the oil regularly, typically after every 50 hours of residential use, but if you're using it commercially or as a small business, every 12 hours. And even, again, residential, once at least a season. Now let's talk about the air filter. Yes, lawnmowers do have air filters because it's running a small engine. A clean air filter is crucial for optimal performance. If it's clogged with dirt and grass, your mower won't run efficiently. Check it every few uses, and if it looks dirty, give it a good clean or replace it if necessary. This simple step can significantly improve your mower's performance. Another key component is the spark plug. This is the little part responsible for igniting the fuel in your mower's engine. Over time, spark plugs can wear out, leading to starting issues. It's a good idea to check your spark plug at the beginning of each season. If it looks worn or dirty, replace it. It's a quick fix that can save you a lot of headaches later on. Now, let's move on to the blades. Sharp blades are essential for a clean cut. Dull blades can tear the grass, leading to a brown, unhealthy lawn. Aim to sharpen your blades at least once a season or more often if you mow frequently. You can do this yourself with a sharpening tool like a Dremel, or just take them to a professional. Just to remember to disconnect the spark plug before you start working on the blades for safety. Don't forget the tires. Keeping your mower's tires properly inflated is crucial for even cutting maneuverability. Some tires are plastic, so no worries there. Check the tire pressure regularly and inflate them as needed. This small step can make a big difference in how your mower performs. As we wrap up, remember that regular mower maintenance doesn't have to be overwhelming. By dedicating just a little time every month to these tasks, or once a week, you'll extend the life of your mower and enjoy a beautiful lawn all season long. Plus, you'll gain confidence in your ability to take care of your equipment. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel empowered to tackle your lawnmower maintenance yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more practical tips and tricks. Happy mowing, and see you on the next one.